video. Well, there's a new update in car parking. I gotta check it out for the car parking fans on my YouTube channel. If you didn't know, first video was a car parking YouTube video, and I delete that. But let's just check out the new cars now. So let's try to find another car. So first car would have to be the truck. So you got the old truck 600 horsepower. No, you got this truck 800 horsepower for 1000 coins. Then you have this truck for 950k. And I think we get some new cars. Yup, we get the new Corvette.